In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the analytics page in HeyGuest, where you can see exactly how your AI assistant is performing and the real business value it's delivering. To get here, just click Analytics in the left-hand sidebar. This opens the AI Performance and ROI dashboard, your one-stop view for everything the AI has handled. At the top, you'll see your current reporting period along with a comparison to the previous period, so you can track trends over time. You can adjust this using the date filter or narrow things down further with the filters button, the voice and chat toggle, and the channels and locations drop-downs, handy if you're managing multiple properties or want to isolate a specific channel. Right below that is the return on investment section. This is where the real magic happens. It shows you hours saved, meaning the staff time the AI has taken off your team's plate, the labour cost avoided based on your hourly rate, and the full-time equivalent headcount that's been freed up. If those assumptions need tweaking, just click Adjust Assumptions to plug in your own numbers. Scrolling down, you'll find the key metrics grid. This gives you a quick snapshot of activity. Voice calls handled, chats handled, emails handled, bookings made, and out-of-hours bookings. Below that, you've got quality indicators too. Repeat callers, frustrated calls, the AI resolution rate, average call length, and average call minutes per week. Each card also shows how it compares to the prior period, so you can spot improvements or areas that need attention at a glance. Further down is the Trends and Activity section. Here you'll find a breakdown of bookings by channel, voice, chat, and email, plus how many were made outside of business hours. And finally, the activity by day and hour heat map shows exactly when your guests are reaching out most, so you can see your busiest times at a glance. And that's the analytics page in a nutshell. Everything you need to track your AI's performance and prove its ROI all in one place. Thanks for watching.